Now let's make a space shuttle. And if you did the pencil tutorial, you'll see that the same basic shapes for the pencil are used for the space shuttle. That's what's on the screen now. A rectangle, the little rectangle on the end, and a triangle at the front. Now I'm going to add 2 more triangles for the wings to the top and the bottom. Now I'm ready to go in with my darker color and add my details. So to start, I'm going to do the middle. So the middle is basically just that rectangle, but the top and the bottom are going to be curved a little bit. And I'm going to make a line down the middle for the cargo doors. Now on the back, I'm going to turn that one rectangle into 3 square type shapes for the engine. So there's 1, 2, 3. For the front, I'm going to keep that triangular shape but curve it a little bit. And I'm going to make a window right here and color that in. And I'm going to curve the top almost like a pencil tip and color that in for the tiles and the protection on the front of the nose of the shuttle. Now for the wings, I'm going to curve both of those triangles so they look more like a wing shape. So I'm going to go like this and then bring it straight down. Same thing on the bottom, straight down. I'm going to add a line at the bottom and 2 lines here. And now the shuttle's basically done. You can go in and add more details, like I could thicken up the sides if I want to make the tiles, the heat resistant tiles that protect the shuttle. And do the same thing to the ends. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other wing, and I'll be right back. Now I've added those tiles, and as you can see, I've added some details to the wings. There might be a flag shape on the wing, maybe some words. I've added some lines to the engine to make them have a little bit more detail. And you can add whatever other lines, details you want. Now the shuttle could be done if you want, or you can make it look like there's fire coming out of the engines just by making some zigzag shapes coming from the engines, and then a couple of those inside of it, so it looks like the shuttle's blasting through space or taking off. Could add some action lines too if you want it to really look like it's moving, just by making a few simple lines. And as I said, you can add as many details as you want. Maybe this becomes a whole scene and it's in outer space, and over here is the planet Earth, and there's some stars or a comet flying by. Maybe you draw a UFO somewhere. It's all up to you and your imagination.